Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the 19th episode of Kudüs Fatihi Selahaddin Eyyubi with a review by Etv Facts. This episode features English and Urdu subtitles, providing a comprehensive analysis of this captivating series. Join us as we explore the intricate details and plot twists of this historical drama. Let's get started. Kudüs Fatihi Selahaddin Eyyubi, also known as Saladin in English, is a Turkish historical drama series that has been captivating audiences with its gripping storyline and powerful performances. The 19th episode of the show aired recently on TRT1, and as always, it did not disappoint. In this episode, we see Salahuddin Ayyubi facing new challenges as he continues his quest to conquer Jerusalem. The stakes are higher than ever, and Salahuddin must use all of his cunning and strength to outsmart his enemies and achieve his goal. The episode is filled with intense action sequences, emotional moments, and surprising twists that will keep viewer on the edge of their seats. One of the standout aspects of this episode is the performance of the cast. Engin Altan Bezyat'ın, who plays the role of Salahuddin Ayyubi, delivers a powerful and nuanced performance that truly brings the character to life. His portrayal of Salahuddin's determination, courage, and leadership is both inspiring and moving. The supporting cast also shines in their respective roles, adding depth and complexity to the story. The production values of the show are also top-notch. The costumes, sets, and cinematography are all beautifully done, transporting viewer back to the medieval world of Salahuddin Ayyubi. The attention to detail in recreating this historical period is evident in every frame, making the show a visual feast for the eyes. One of the highlights of this episode is the battle scenes, which are expertly choreographed and executed. The fight sequences are intense and realistic, showcasing the skill and bravery of the warriors on both sides of the conflict. These scenes are not only thrilling to watch but also serve to highlight the brutal realities of war during this time period. Overall, the 19th episode of Kudüs Fatihi Selahaddin Eyyubi is a must-watch for fans of historical dramas. The show continues to impress with its compelling storytelling, strong performances, and high production values. Whether you are a history buff or simply enjoy a good action-packed drama, the series has something for everyone. For those who prefer to watch the show with subtitles, Etv Facts offers English and Urdu subtitles for the 19th episode of Kudüs Fatihi Selahaddin Eyyubi. This allows viewers from around the world to enjoy the show and follow along with the story, regardless of their language. In conclusion, Kudüs Fatihi Selahaddin Eyyubi is a standout Turkish drama series that deserves all the praise it has received. The 19th episode is a testament to the show's quality and entertainment value, and fans can look forward to more thrilling episodes in the future. Don't miss out on this epic tale of conquest, courage, and sacrifice. Thank you for watching our review of the 19th episode of Kudüs Fatihi Selahaddin Eyyubi by Etv Facts. We hope you enjoyed our analysis with English and Urdu subtitles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned for our next video.